Hello, we're going to do a total tax question. Okay, so Pablo received $38,990 from his job as a landscaper for last year. He had to buy a few tools totaling $165 to do his job. How much total tax will he owe? So, first off, okay, we're finding his taxable income. Okay, so the amount of money that he has that is going to be taxed. So that's going to take away his deductions, and his deduction is here. Okay, so we have taxable income equals income take deductions, which is going to be $38,990 take away 165. Okay, which, if I go with my calculator, 38,990 take 165, 38,222, what was that? 38,825. Okay, so, okay, 38,825, therefore, okay, Pablo's taxable income is 38,825. Okay, so now we have his taxable income. We're going to work out his income tax, which is difficult to say. Taxable income tax. Okay, but his income tax is the tax that's charged on his income by the government, and that's found here. Okay, so first off, we need to go 38,890, which is in this tax bracket. Okay, so then we just write down this tax bracket, and it's going to set the foundation for our working out. So income tax equals, now the first part's a flat fee, $3,572 plus 32.5 cents for every $1 over 37,000. Okay, so this sets up the foundation for our equation. Okay, so we've got our working out 3,572 plus 32.5 cents as a dollar. Okay, it's going to be $0.325. Okay, for every means times, and for every dollar over 37,000, we need to know how many dollars he is over 37. So we're going to go 38,825 take 37,000. Okay, plug that into the calculator, and we get 3,572 plus 0.325 times 38,825 take 37,000. Enter, and that comes out as $4,165. $4,165 and 12.5 cents. Okay. Therefore, Pablo's income tax is 4,165.125. Okay. So, income tax is not the only tax that the government charges. That pays for stuff like roads and schools and that kind of thing. Paying for hospitals, your medical treatment, is Medicare levy. Okay, so I'm just going to make a page, and we're going to look at Pablo's Medicare levy. Okay, and let's look at Medicare levy. Okay, Medicare levy is a little bit simpler. We look at this table. Okay, now bottom half is only for people claiming their seniors offset. Okay, so we're looking at the top half. Just find out what bracket he's in. Most of the time it'll probably be this top one. Okay, So here we go, 2% of taxable income. Let's go back. 2% is easy to work out. Is 2% of taxable income. Remember, writing this out for our communication, but it also helps us to set up what we have to write down. Okay, 2% is 0.02. Of means times his taxable income was 38,825. 38,825. Okay, plug that into the calculator. 0.02 times 38,825 is $776.50. $776.50. Boom. There are the two taxes that he has to pay, income tax, Medicare levy. Now, we need to go and check. Okay, it's not stated in the question, but we need to check if there's something that is called an offset that he gets. Okay, there are lots of offsets. The only one that we've looked at is the low income rebate. Okay, which if you earn under $66,667, you will get. Okay, so it's really easy to check. Does he earn under $66,000? Is his taxable income under that? Yes. So we have to do some working out. Okay, refer to the bottom of the last page and let's read it. Okay, you get the income if the rebate if your income is less than $66,667. That's he is. The maximum tax offset of $445 applies if your taxable income is $37,000 or less. Now that's really easy to work out. Okay, because if your taxable income is under $37,000, you don't need to do any maths. You just automatically get $445 off. Okay, if you're between $37,000 and $66,000, then the amount gets reduced by 1.5 cents for each dollar over $37,000. So let's take a look at it. Okay, we'll write this down. Let me go back to this page, and we have the low income rebate, okay, which he will receive. So let's think about it like this. The low income rebate starts off at $445 and it gets reduced by, just take away, okay, 1.5 cents, which is there, for every dollar over, is it 37? 37,000. That looks familiar, doesn't it? It's the same thing as when you're doing normal tax, it's just changing the front. Okay, so you have 445, take away 1.5 cents in dollars. Okay, remember, move that 2 places, so it's going to be 0.015 for every times, and dollar over 37,000. Well, let's find out how many dollars he is over 37. It was 38,825. Take away $37,000. I don't predict that he's going to have a lot reduced off of that because he's not too far over 37,000. Okay, so let's put that into the calculator. 445 take 0.015 times 38,825. Take, oh, I should put brackets. 38. If you don't put the brackets, then it's going to do the times in the wrong spot. 37,000. Look at that, $417. $417.625. Okay. So, therefore, low income rebate equals $417.62.5. Okay, so that makes sense because he wasn't too far over $37,000, so the rebate shouldn't be reduced by a whole deal. Okay, now last step, we've got his income tax. we've got his Medicare levy, and we've worked out whether he has an offset, which he does. So we put it all together. Okay. Total tax equals income tax plus Medicare, take away offsets. Okay, his income tax, I'm going to jump 2 pages back because I can't remember, was $4,165. $4,165.12.5. Here's Medicare, and I'm going to jump another page back, $776.50. And his offset was $417.62.5. Okay, let's go back to the calculator. 4165.125 plus 7 is Medicare, so $776.50. Take away $417.62.5. And we get $4,524. 4,500. That's nice and easy, isn't it? Okay. Therefore, Pablo's total tax for the year is $4,524. Okay. And that's how you work out total tax. I'm going to chuck a bonus in. Okay. Let's chuck in an extra, like a B style question. Okay. Pablo paid $5,000 over the year. Okay. In tax, he's paid that. In his pay slip, each week gets taken out. It's totaled up to $5,000 over the year. Okay. Does he get a refund? If so, how much? Well, let's have a look. $5,000. He only owes $4,524. So he gets a refund. Okay. Let's write that down. Pablo gets a refund. And how much is it? Okay. Well, his refund, it's pretty easy to work out. It's just a simple takeaway. Is his tax owing? Oh, his tax paid. Sorry, tax paid. Take away how much tax he owes. Okay, so his tax that he paid is here, $5,000. His tax that he's owed is here, $4,524, and so $5,000. Whoop, not 50. 4524. Enter. $476. Geez, I wish I could have a $476 refund. Okay. That is it. Thanks for watching.